Hey guys, the Xmaxx has a new pinion gear. The old one, this is the tooth, and then there's the missing tooth. And then getting it off was a super pain because it's stripped, but we ground it down with a Dremel and managed to get it off without any damage to the motor. Cleaned it all out, got the new pinion on. We're gonna give it a rip, see how it does. We'll get back to you. So that was it. That was the busted pinion. Nice and quiet under load. Don't have a lot of room for testing with light. It's dark out. So there we go. Crazy noise solved after a hard day of bashing. See you next time.